Iscar introduces a new generation of SWISSTURN precise inserts for the miniature, watch, and medical industries. Iscar features a variety of ISO standard inserts in different geometries with precision ground cutting edges and small radii for manufacturing small and thin parts. Precisely ground and polished inserts guarantee light cutting forces with very low friction. The polished insert also prevents a built-up edge, especially when machining stainless steel and non-ferrous materials. Designed with two positive chip formers, referred to as F1M 20P for semi-finish and finishing operations, and F1M 12P for finishing operations. The inserts are available with small corner radius that ensures excellent performance, superb surface quality, and extended tool life. Produced with IC1008, a combination of titanium aluminum nitride plus TIN PVD coating with the outstanding IC08 substrate, excellent for hard-to-machine materials in the miniature industry. Suitable for steels, stainless steels, high-temp alloys, titanium alloys, and non-ferrous materials. The new inserts can be used for longitudinal, face, and profiling applications on small diameter parts. I would like to remind you to download the Iscar World app, which features the revolutionary Neo ITA for achieving optimal machining results.